Welcome back to Let's Roger That. I'm Jill. Well, in this episode, let's continue down the road of common sense crap. Well, sort of. So what I've got here is a dead center, and it is completely off its rocker. So I'm going to grind it. I would have liked to have used my surface grinder, but unfortunately, my dividing head is simply too tall, so I can't make it work. Now, there's tons of designs out there, and it involves lots of work and everything else. I'm not gonna do that. This is just a dead center that I want to, true up a little bit. So I'm gonna use one of these extra dremels that was in my my drawer, and I'm gonna fix it to this, a quick change tool post, and there you go. A couple of zap strap, and it's sturdy. So why bother making a full fixture and whatnot? All right, but I did put them over these bolts just to make sure that it holds everything nice and tight and whatnot. So that should do the trick. So let's plug it in and see what happens. I'm not gonna go crazy on the details here. Bottom line, put a dry towel on the ways, okay? Well, dry. Then put a wet towel on top to prevent fires. That's the common sense approach here, right? My saddle is locked. The cross slide is going to affect the in and out, or the depth of cut, and then the compound is gonna make it go back and forth. That's it, nothing complicated. Backwards, here we go. 600 RPM or what? Yep, actually 475 RPM. Running this thing at 2000. Starting to see sparks. So let's go light all the way in. Nice and slow. Increase the speed of touch. Take 3 or 4 light cuts like this, and then have a look. Set it off. All right, it's starting to work. There's a fair bit to go. Remember, there's no rush. The spinning fixture, okay, your dremel, has to turn reverse or the opposite to your lathe. As you can see, there's a fair bit of material in the middle. I knew this thing was completely off. So let it do its work. Come back a bit. See, the motor is not struggling as much. Hardly any vibration affecting the dremel tool on the quick change tool post. If you're wondering about that, nothing at all there. Slow and steady. Looks like a lot of material coming off, but really isn't, so don't have to freak out about the tip. It does not need to be sharp. Tips never go to the end of your holes anyway. Okay, I'm going to come back, have a look. Stop this thing for a minute. It's really starting to look good. A couple more passes. That was another half dowel. Really gonna take my time on this one. I want to just clean it up. The angle's back to pretty well normal. But I'm still gonna check that. Spring fast. Again, going very, very slow. Almost there. There we go. That, my friends, looks absolutely awesome. Okay, so I got to bring you in for a close-up. Just for some laughs, let's make sure that this is 60 degrees, okay? Check this out. I'm going to take the fishtail 60 degrees. See? There you go. That's it. Nothing to it. Check that finish. That's pretty cool. Simple setup. Took what? 14 minutes. All done. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Shoot me a comment, anything funny, improvements, whatever. But remember, this was all about getting it done fast, cheap, and making it work. So anyway, thanks a lot, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.